Okay, welcome to a very short lecture. 2.5, the user interface functions of the T1 library. I'm Dr. Piccone. Drs. Garbini and Devine are my co-authors on this book, from which this is a lesson. MIT Press published it. Check it out on their website or on the companion website for the book, rtcbook.org. Okay, the UI functions of the T1 library. This is a one slider right here. So a more detailed view than given previously of the operational diagram from figure 1.13, so in last chapter, is given here. So here is an updated operational diagram. So as before, we have the input numbers function box. We have the display prompts and messages box. We have the central control, which is instantiated in the target computer, the MyRio. So inside here, we have actual C functions. Double in was a function that we wrote in lab 1. F gets keypad, we used that in lab 1. Get care keypad is nested under there. And we have these lower level functions here. In this lab exercise, and the lab exercise corresponding to chapter 2, we're going to be writing the F gets keypad function and the get care keypad function. So these two nested functions here. So F gets keypad will call get care keypad. We're going to write both of those. Get care keypad is going to call get key and put care LCD. So F gets keypad and get care keypad we'll write in this chapter. Printf LCD we wrote last week in lab 1. And put care LCD, notice, is in both of these functions. So printf LCD calls put care LCD, and so does get care keypad. So the get care keypad function works like the standard library get care function. So we're going to write it to read a care from an input stream from a user input device. For us, the keypad. Our get care keypad is a buffered get care. So you see these buffers here. So you're going to have a buffer inside of get care keypad, which keeps track of the entered characters and can be edited by a user. So we're going to have an editable buffer. There will also be a buffer in F gets keypad at a higher level. So we'll learn about how that interaction should go in the lab exercise. The lowest level C functions supporting double in are get key, which is right here, which interprets digital inputs or DIs as keystrokes. So digital inputs are going to go from high to low or low to high, and we're going to interpret that as a keystroke on the keypad. And put care LCD, which is both here, printf LCD, and here in get care keypad, which sends corresponding character codes to the LCD. So these are doing one character at a time, very low level interaction. Okay, so these are going to be written in lab exercise 3, those lowest level functions. For this week, we will use them, we'll use the library versions, the T1 C library versions that are compiled for us already. That's really it. You're ready for the lab exercise now. So get in there. Have fun.